You've heard the songs. You've seen the thumbnails. Today we're gonna make Brazilian funk music. So what I do on this channel. Bro, it's what I do on this channel. Some of my songs do pretty well, and others no. So Brazilian funk has quite the reputation as far as genres go. As seen on your Instagram or YouTube Shorts feed, the genre has developed quite a bit into a lot of different subgenres. I'd say in today's video I've made more of a melodic Brazilian funk song. You'll be the judge of that. Two things you're gonna need to know how to do. You're gonna have to know how to play a piano/keyboard, and you're gonna have to know how to use any basic music software. And I would say no GarageBand, but you gotta do what you gotta do. Samples from this video are from Splice, or just kind of found on the internet. Splice costs money monthly, but there's a lot of vocals and just overall Brazilian funk sounds on there. Melodic Brazilian funk music kind of has two different sounds to it. Either or. I've chose the second option. Usually to come up with the melody, I'll just screw around on the piano for a bit. Either way, I stumbled onto this melody. Our basic kick drum. Throw a hi-hat in there. So we got a basic rhythm and melody down. Next up, we have to choose our vocals. These vocals are from Splice. The original sample sounds like this. So then in funk fashion, you gotta chop it up a bit. We got a good base of a song there now. Next, I'm just gonna add some sort of percussionary loops in the background, kind of fill the back end out a bit. Add a couple of these. And one or two of these. And that's it. Take a listen to the final song. If you like this song, it's on my channel. Thanks for watching.